Welcome guys, Tech Motorsports, Eb here, and today's victim is a 2004 2500 Dodge Ram. It's here for a transmission output shaft seal leaking and the pinion seal leaking as well. There might be a bushing going bad on one of the lower control arms, so I gotta take a peek at that. This one is my father-in-law's, and I gotta give it a little TLC. I have to be kind to him right now. There's some work I need him to do on my enclosed trailer, so you know, I pat his back, he pats my back, so yeah, so let's get started on that. So here you can see nice lovely leaking transmission output seal. So we'll go ahead and get the drive shaft off and work our way to the rear. And as you can see, the pinion seal, or I'm sorry, the the pinion seal has been leaking there for a little bit. So very simple and easy. I'll take these 4 bolts off here, and then the drive shaft will slide out from the transmission. So let's get to it. All right, let's get started. Gotta get it out of, put it in neutral. All right, guys, just to be sure, what I ended up doing before I removed it all, I sprayed the dry shaft just to make sure that I have the right face going back on the side, so that way if there's any chance of it being balanced to that particular side, I'm going to put it back to exactly the same, so there shouldn't be, hopefully, no vibration in the drive line or anything of that sort. I use spray paint because I tried using my marker, and I do have a nice good marker, just it didn't hold up very well, so I used a little bit of spray paint. So there she is. All right, so I'm gonna take this dry shaft out of my way here and knock that seal out and put the new one in. So let's get going with it. Okay, I took a few minutes and jacked the front up a little bit as well, just to give me more room under here. I'm spoiled. I'm not used to working on the floor, on the ground. I'm used to putting these cars on the lift and sitting down. So that's what happens when you get a big truck and the weight exceeds the limit of the lift. But the lift is a different story. It works for what I needed on the normal stuff, which were my race cars and everything. So, but let's get going with this. Just gonna clean up some of the area here. When I was looking at the new seal, right here, there is a little slot. I don't know if you can see it right there, right up top. By looking at the old one, they're identical, and that slot is on the top side. So I want to make sure when I install it, that little slot is up on top. So let's get this one smacking out. Alright, what I'm going to do is I can see a little bit of the red remnants on the inside right here, so I'm going to go get a scuff pad and and try to get that nice and clean. That way my the new seal goes on smoothly. So all right guys, I'm back. I went ahead and grabbed my little scuff pad here. Well, it would have been nice if they would have sent me the correct seal. This is not the right seal. Alright guys, the front seal was the incorrect one, so I'm going to take the rear pinion seal out, or the input pinion seal out, just to make sure that's the correct one as well. So I've already got the nut off. And just gonna put my jaw puller on it and slide that puppy off. Just trying to clean some of this white stuff off of here, which I tell you what, it does not smell pleasant at all. I had to check my check if it was me, if it was my BO or something. And it wasn't me. Oh, she's sliding off. And there she goes. Shoot. I think I got another tool. Hold tight. So it's taken a while. The way I have it, I got a ratchet strap around the 3-jaw puller just to keep the claws together because the claws were slipping. And once it starts pulling out, they loosen up just a tad bit. The claws do, and they do slip, but I just have to readjust it. Not really tighten it, just readjust it, and I start getting another bite, and it starts moving. So I've done it a couple times, and I'm pretty much almost got it completely off. So let's watch a little bit. Maybe on fast forward. Oh man, I didn't want that stuff on my strap. I don't want that down there either. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. There we go. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab the other seal and let's see if they gave me the right seal. And that's a big negative. They gave me the wrong seal as well. So looks like I'll be heading back to the other parts store and exchanging those for the correct ones. So stay tuned for the remaining of the video at a later point. Hey guys, welcome back. I ended up getting the correct seals this time, and So here I go, put it on there. I'm just going to give you an FYI in advance. I am not alone in this shop. I am not alone underneath this truck. Apparently I have maybe 1 or 2 rats that joined a ride all the way from my father-in-law's house to my place. Come to find out, I came in here one morning, and I guess the rats tried to eat through my door seal to get out, and it's made a huge mess on my cars, or my car that's in here, because I have like a drip pan. That's a very shallow drip pan. It got into that, and it got all over my car, and there's oil everywhere. Oh, and mind you not, there's droppings as well throughout the floor and on my toolbox and everything. So if by any chance during the duration of this video, if you see me jump or climb or hit my head or whatever or scream, it's probably going to be because of the rat. And what I will end up doing is I will not cut that out. I will put it in the video for a little bit of pizzazz. But yeah, I'm a little nervous right now. But let's get back to the work so I can get this thing out of here and get going on some other stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. So I've already got the seal pretty much tacked into place, and I don't have an actual seal thingamabobber, but I end up using my oil filter remover that fits right around it just right. And gave it a little love. And she is in. Now what I'm going to do is, yeah, she looks good. Like I was stating before, my little slot out, it was a little slot. It's all the way up top, just like it was originally. So that's in. That's easy peasy. And next is the dry shaft one, and I know for a fact over the spare tire compartment is the rat. So fingers crossed that sucker stays where it's at. All right, guys. I already got the seal in. I knocked over the camera as I was starting to, and I just didn't. I'll go back to it. So unfortunately, I just deleted it. But the seal's in, and I got the. I guess there was a dust shield that goes over it as well. So I put the dust shield on. So right now I just got the yoke in place, and I'm about to secure that in place and start getting ready to torque it down to 210 foot-pounds. So I'll go ahead and start wrenching on that sucker. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, no rat has came out yet and scared the poop out of me yet. But I hope not. Oh, by the way, if any of you guys are hoping that this rat comes out on me, that's just wrong. That's just really wrong. Click, click, click. There you go, 210 foot-pounds. I'm only kidding. All right. Back at it with a torque wrench. As you can see, I had to use all my body to be able to get that since I'm a little weakling. But okay, she's torqued in, so pretty much all there is just put the drive shaft back in and take it for a little spin. Yeah, let's put you over here. Yeah, there we go. All right. Get back on my. Ow! That hit me right in my back. Yeah, there's. Alright guys, so the 4 bolts back here, 85 foot-pounds, and I already added the thread lock on the 3 up there. This is the last one. You gotta get those on there. Oh, and if you're still wondering, rat free still, thank goodness. I'm probably not going to have to. All right. All torqued. Now she's done. All right, and here's my torque seal. There you go, torque seal applied. Now I gotta find the cap. Here it is. All right. So now all that's left is just to add fluid, transmission, and gear oil. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I guess I was lucky today. I didn't have the little rats or rat attack me while doing this video. So thanks for watching, thanks for hanging in, and hope most of you guys were hoping I didn't get attacked by a rat, but yeah, awesome. Appreciate the watch, and stay tuned for more.